And it's just a lot of work to do, but it's 2 days worth, but non-stop. So we're at least gonna get half of it done. Inspections, they suck. You have to wait. You have to pay for the guy to wait. If there's no problem, then that's usually like not even 50% of the time, but a lot less, like maybe 20% of the time. So hopefully things work out in the best for us. I'll show you what we're doing. Okay, so we're gonna put the coffee machine here, ice machine down here, across here the espresso machine, smoothie machine here. That's obviously easy. There's a low boy here for fruits and all. Probably tomorrow we're gonna put the fireplace up there, 60-inch. We have to find an outlet or whatever, put one in the wall. And these tables we're just going to put together with tops. So a lot of work, but we got it. Also, this area is going to be completely empty. No table, no low boy. We're moving everything out. Excuse me. We're putting in a beautiful cabinet here for glasses, utensils, cleaning supplies, all that stuff. Also, we are replacing this whole line and connecting all of our appliances. This is the grill. This is our stove with ovens. Okay, so it just about fits. Like my thumb can get in. Thank God. It's a small one, but it'll do. Contractor who left his cheese puffs.
You have to put this frame, you have to tell them to put in this.
For what? Okay, so got home quick, had a pre-workout smoothie, and then I have to go to the restaurant because the plumber's there. So wish me luck. Got my post-workout carbs, some ground beef, protein pasta. So much to do. Keep you guys posted. Okay, so this is the table, scratch proof. Right here is the fireplace. That's gonna go up here. So I'll show you before and after. Lots of work. It's a working day indeed. We cleared that out. All right. So we got some construction and things done, plumbing, like halfway done at the restaurant. So the next step is mid-inspections. Once that's done, the electrical work needs to be done, and then they just finish up with plumbing, cover everything, and then I guess we start getting things ready for cooking and having like a 1 week of non-stop cooking. So we're almost there. It's New Year's Day. That means everyone's closed except for Best Buy in the mall. And Madiha's here. Say hi, Madiha. Okay, just be shy. So nothing to do with the restaurant, but this week we have an inspector coming on Tuesday between 9 and 4 p.m. That's usually how they work. So hopefully they'll okay everything for the mid-inspections for plumbing. And then after that, we have to just finish the work for plumbing, get the fire suppression work done today. I mean, not today, but this week, before Friday, because the gas is off until the fire suppression is done. Fire suppression is, God forbid, in case of a fire, the fire suppression system is like a sprinkler system, kinda. It prevents large fires from happening. So it's a necessity for restaurants. And electrical work, I'm also setting up the POS system today. So we have to do the wiring with that. Not today, I wish it was today. This week, I mean. doing a lot of wiring this week so that everything works smoothly and pay some bills for the first month and just get things going. It's gonna be exciting. So it is flooding. I walked in, I heard a loud hissing noise, and believe it or not, since we moved the compartment sink closer to the wall near the back, that means everything is cold. Look at that. It's ice. So now we have to learn to leave the water running. Problems that I'm prepared for. Love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day. Okay. People ask, so why do you enjoy snow days? You don't go to school. And that's true. But as a kid, I just love snow. But as an adult, that's why. So windy. Anyways, the snow is so much, it's pretty much bottom stairs and top stairs touching. And we got plumbing work to do and all today. It's gonna be exciting. So windy. Today's been snowing like crazy, so mostly everyone's closed. But of course, everyone needs groceries. And I just did legs, so my legs kill. It's not that bad.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, let's get some videos. Oh, yeah, let's get some fire going.
Brought to you by American Range. And thanks, Rod.
Oh, yeah, great.
There is a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls and window sills, tables and chairs warmed by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel this is a place where I feel at home. built a home for you, for me, until you disappeared from me, from you. And now it's time to live and turn to dust.
Go for your goals. So what you see right now is an actual almost 80% finished product. We are waiting for chairs, utensils, kitchen supplies, ingredients obviously, and people. But in the meantime, right now, some people think, why aren't you rushing? Others think you won't open in time for the rush, this and that. Well, it's January 13th to be exact. And the thing is that, you know, it is one of the third slowest months of the years for restaurants of the year, sorry. It's kind of nerve-wracking, it's scary, but what gets us here every day and what pushes us besides paying rent and bills is that it's a dream. It's a dream that we're almost there to grasp and achieve. You know, you take your goals, and if you don't, you know, go for it, then they're just dreams. So what it's emotional. Because just thinking about it all of a sudden, to you guys talking about it, it just hit me quick. It's a big risk. It definitely is. It took a lot of money, but thank God, 2 weeks after I left my other job, this just came in our laps. You know, the restaurant had a walk-in fridge, a hood, 12-foot hood. Everything was like almost brand new. I had a beautiful bar, and we're like, why not? It's big and empty, and we just took that risk. The whole family did, or most of the family, and it was something surreal. You know, I've done this before twice. I built a restaurant with the old restaurant. I've expanded it twice, and so I know, you know, the vendors. I know who to go to, who to talk to. But the thing is, it's like it's scary to do it on your own. I've seen it with my dad, and even though we were there, it's, you know, we took a second mortgage on the house, and we depleted almost all of our money. We had no chef when we opened the first restaurant, and thank God, you know, everything just worked out for us. We got a chef, and it just, from there on, we just put hard work. Now, where we are 3 partners, and, you know, we know how to cook. We know how to hustle. We know how to get things done and in a timely manner. So what we're gonna do is, we have a lot of family now that can help. That was the main reason of opening up a second store, is because the first store was too small. At least if we have a second one, we can have 2 incomes instead of 1. And in the meantime, the sister store that we are in now, that you guys saw, is going to be, you know, my bread and butter, their bread and butter, and it's going to hopefully prosper and blossom. You know, our menu isn't as big, but we have a lot of heart. It's going to be something different, and I'm happy that you guys are here with us for the ride. Follow, like, and subscribe, and you guys will be up to date with everything that's changed here. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.